So I didn't really film anything, to be honest. I got really burnt out and didn't feel like it. But I just flew back from Glasgow to Dublin. I really wasn't feeling Scotland. I didn't feel like I wanted to continue the trip too much. Uh, I just flew back here and I rescheduled my flight home to go back to California. But I noticed as soon as I got back to Dublin, a lot of those feelings kind of went away. It feels like Dublin is a much more like comfortable place, you know. I'm gonna go around, explore a little bit, but this time I actually checked into a different hostel. It's way more expensive because I booked the day of, not knowing that I'd even have to stay here tonight. I'm gonna go explore a little bit. The loudest floor in existence. Nice little walk around the park while I wait for a burger place to open. So this burger place called Four Friends is one that I've wanted to try since I first landed in Dublin. But I've only got a couple days left here, so time to splurge and enjoy. So that was definitely the most unique burger that I've ever had. Camembert cheese, something like that. It was like very liquidy and sticky. I walked back, and even inside the restaurant, before that, after that, dude, it's cold. I'm freezing my ass off, even just laying here in bed. So since I'm staying in a hostel in a different part of the city this time, it feels like I'm in a whole different city. I'm exploring parts that I've never seen before, and it's so cool. My one regret about this trip is going to different countries instead of just staying and exploring one more in depth. Alright, so I'm flying home tomorrow, and the day's coming to an end. The trip's coming to an end. I have not done anything at all since I've been back in Dublin. My schedule has basically been wake up, go search for food, find something to do, and walk around for a little bit, come back to bed, and then maybe go out at night for food again. It's been so much more relaxing and so much more chill than Edinburgh and Scotland. Dublin's definitely my favorite city that I've been to on this trip. Although I really haven't done much, this has still been a cool trip for the most part. More than anything, I've learned a lot from this trip. So I know next time I do a trip, I know what I need to do a little bit better, how to have more fun, and how to come more prepared. That's a very good thing that I learned. In case I don't film too much more while I'm still here in Ireland, I want to thank you guys all for watching, and hopefully some cool videos come out of this. I'll try to make more than just the main trip video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully it was somewhat entertaining, even though I didn't do a whole lot, and even though I'm leaving early and didn't really accomplish the mission of being in UK for a month. It's only going to be about 3 weeks start to finish. But yeah, thank you all again. Stick around and have a good one. Later.